Alright, gentlemen. This victory requires a celebratory song. There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy O.T. The winds blew up her bow, dipped down, oh boy, my bully boys blow. Ha! Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She not been 2 weeks from shore, when down on her right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Before that boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed. The captain's mind was not of greed, and he belonged to the Wellerman's creed. She took that ship and tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only 4, but still that whale did go. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on, the line's not cut, and the whale's not gone. The Wellerman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew, and all. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Ha! Yeah, haha, that's my spirit. That's what I call celebratory songs. Captain, still no sign of AJ. Rest in peace, AJ. My good old first mate. Logan? It's Captain Logan, you know it. So, do you mind if I tell you something? Sure you can, spit it out. So, do you even know how the war actually started and how AJ died? What do you mean? I started it all. Captain, are you alright? I'll be fine, I just need pressure. Security, arrest that penguin. Hands off. Hands off. You're gonna be alright, Logan. We're not gonna risk losing you, too. Get the bandage wrap out of the chest immediately. Gio, right away. Right away, Cayden. I am the pirate that is going to survive all this trouble. Going somewhere? You shouldn't be leaving your prison. It's powerfully security. What do you mean? I have a team full of pirates. And you can't get through me. I shot you in the chest, but that doesn't kill me. It makes me stronger. Now he just got a taste of his own medicine. Now let's put him back in the cell where he belongs.